So the Exter comes with two wipers for the front windshield to clean the windshield in case it is dirty. The sizes of the wipers are 24 inches and 16 inches. Let me show you. So I have an inch tape with me. So the driver side wipers measures 24 inches, as you can see here, and the co-driver side wiper measures 16 inches. Now these wipers, as you can see, they are the frame type. You can see a frame here. The OEM is syndicate. Let me also show you how to remove this wiper. It is actually pretty simple. If you observe closely, there is a tab here, this one. So if you pull this tab, there you go. If you pull this tab, you can remove the wiper from this U-clip. There's a U-clip here, so you can remove it from there. Let me show you how. It's very simple to replace these wipers whenever the need arises. What you need to do is pull this clip and remove the wiper. You can see the U tab here, and your clip is located. This is a clip I'm referring to. So this clip has to be pulled, and then you can push the wiper. The next time you're buying a wiper, you can always opt for a frameless wiper. It looks a lot more sleeker and it hides these arms here, and it works equally well based on my experience. So to insert a new wiper, what you need to do is insert the wiper into the clip. That is it. And slide it towards the U bend, and the wiper secures itself. And that's the same principle if you want to change it for the co-driver side as well.
Just one small tip. If the car is going to be parked for a while, especially under the sun, it is a good idea to lift the wipers. This prevents the rubber from sticking to the windshield and keeps them in good condition. But please avoid raising wipers in very windy areas because the spring arm can snap back and this can potentially crack the windshield.
For effective cleaning of the windshield, Hyundai has equipped two windshield washers here concealed beneath the bonnet. You can see the washers here. This is the driver side nozzle, and you also have one for the co-driver side right there. So as you just saw, the nozzles squirt an effective amount of water, and the wipers work in conjunction for cleaning the windshield. So this is very effective during monsoons, or if you have parked your car underneath a tree and there's some bird droppings and you want to clean the windshield. So this is your wiper stock located on the left side of your steering column. And please take a moment to look at the information on the instrument cluster, because as you change the wiper setting, it shows up on the instrument cluster's multifunction information display as well. So this is the wiper stock in the off position. Now a single dab to the top gives it a mist, as is indicated here, and it does one wipe of the windshield. Now when I press this, there you go. So a single dab gives it one wipe. Now if you put one notch down, this is the intermittent mode. You can see that the setting also shows up on the information display. This is the intermittent setting. Now within the intermittent settings, you have 5 different speeds here, which adjusts the interval with which the wiper should wipe. So if you put this knob at the lowermost position, as it is shown here, it will take the maximum interval between the wipes, as you can see here. So this setting is used when you have a very light drizzle, right? And if you change the setting, if you change this knob to the, say, the 4th position, you can also see the setting changing here. You can see that the interval is reduced and the wipe is more frequent. So this is the interval setting, adjustment setting on the front wiper. Now if you put it one notch down, it is a low speed setting. The wiper wipes continuously but at a lower speed. So this setting is used when you have continuous rains but it's not pouring. The next setting is the high speed setting. So this setting is used when there is continuous rains. Now I have turned it off. Now there's one more setting, that is cleaning the windshield. So if you can notice this icon here, setting. If you pull the wiper towards yourself, it will clean the windshield. Like I explained, the two nozzles will squirt water to the windshield, and it will do one wipe. Well, so that is how the wipers work.